Dear friends, in building drawing, we are using various types of scales to draw the different types of drawings like line plan, develop plan, elevations, sections, side plans, and structural details of the various components of the building. A scale is generally written in this form: 1:20, 1:50, 1:100, 1:200, 1:500, etc. What is the meaning of this? This the 1 unit on paper is equal to 20 unit on the ground or actual measurement. This is the actual measurement and his conversion is on the paper in the form of 1 unit. 20 unit on ground is represented by 1 unit on the paper. Similarly, 50 unit on the ground or actual measurement will represent 1 unit on the paper. 100 unit actual measurement will be represented by 1 unit on the paper in this way. Generally, for this building drawing purpose, you are suggested to read this as 1 centimeter on paper is equal to 20 centimeter on ground. 1 centimeter on paper is equal to 50 centimeter on ground. 1 centimeter on paper is equal to 100 centimeter on ground in this way. Okay. Now we will see some example. Suppose there is a 3 meter length on ground and you want to draw this 3 meter on paper by using a scale of 1:50. Now first of all write this 1:50 is 1/50. 1 centimeter on paper, 50 centimeter on ground is equal to how much? X centimeter on paper and 300 centimeter on ground. Convert this 3 meter into centimeter, that is 300 centimeter in this way. 1 centimeter on ground, 50 centimeter 1 centimeter on paper, 50 centimeter on ground. X centimeter on paper, 300 centimeter on ground. Now by cross multiplication you will get X is equal to 300 divided by 50. 0 gets cancelled in this way. 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. Therefore X will be 6 centimeter. What does it mean? By using a scale of 1:50, 3 meter long line will be drawn as a 6 centimeter long line on the paper, isn't it? Similarly, next example, 3 meter, same length, 3 meter, but the scale will be changed by using a scale of 1:100. Okay, convert this 3 meter into centimeter, that is 300 centimeter. Okay, now write 1/100 centimeter is equal to x upon 300 centimeter. Okay, therefore x will be 300 divided by 100. Okay, this is equal to 3 centimeter. X is equal to 3 centimeter. What does it mean? By using a scale of 1:100, 3-meter long line on the ground will be drawn as 3 centimeter on the paper. Okay. Now we will take another example. For 5-meter long line, by using a scale of 1:50. Okay, now convert you have to convert 5 meter into 5 centimeter. This will be 500 centimeter. Okay, then we will write 1/50 is equal to x upon 500. Therefore x will be 500 divided by 50. 0 0 get cancel. 5 1s are 5, 5 10s are 50. X will be 10 centimeter. X is equal to 10 centimeter in this way. Okay, by using a scale of 1:50, 5-meter long line will be drawn as 10 centimeter. Will be drawn as 10 centimeter on paper. 10 centimeter long line you have to draw to represent a 5-meter long line by using a scale of 1:50.